Hi everyone, my name is Tamcho.
And my name is Sean.
And today we are going to talk about UN SDG number 1, no poverty. So, what does no poverty actually mean? It means making sure everyone, everywhere has the basics to food, clean water, a safe home, education, and a real chance at a better life.
Not luxury, just life on normal mode, not hard mode. Just look at a real example. Afghanistan is a country with around 4 million people, but sadly, many families live on less than $2 a day. That's not even enough for snacks. Poverty there is caused by a few big things: conflict and war, limited access to education, unemployment, poor healthcare, and also climate change, and yes, even the weather is involved.
So, now that we know what poverty looks like, let's talk about how we can fight it. Number 1, boosting local economies. In many places, people rely on small shops and family businesses. Things like microloans, small cash grants, and skill training such as tailoring, carpentry, and fixing things can help people earn their own income. Local economies don't just need magic, they just need a fair chance and a little financial sunlight.
Number 2, access to quality education. Education is like a plant that grows even in bad soil. Every hour of learning helps someone earn more, solve problems, and support their community. When opportunities are limited, education becomes a ladder people can still climb.
Number 3, expanding healthcare. Healthcare isn't just about not being sick. It's the difference between moving forward or falling deeper into poverty. Healthy parents, vaccinated kids, and mental health support help families stay stable, especially when life gets unpredictable.
And number 4, food and cash assistance. Many families are stuck in an economic gap that's just too wide to cross alone. Food packages and cash support act like temporary bridges. They don't fix everything, but they stop families from falling and help them survive today so they can build tomorrow.
So, what can you do?
Good news, the answer is simple. We can raise awareness locally, nationally, and even globally. When the world works together, rebuilding can happen with less hardship and more dignity.
That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for our next video on UN SDG number 2.